Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's videos, I am going to show you how to create a simple LED blink project using STM32 Cube ID and simulate in Proteus software. So let's get started. So firstly, we create new project. So first open STM Cube ID. So I already open it. Click on File, click on New, click on STM32 project, and it might take few seconds to open the target selection window. Here we need to select the board or microcontroller we will be using. Since we are simulating this in the Proteus, so in the commercial part, search STM32 F103C, select it, and you can mark star it, click on it, next. Give your project name, for example, LED. Click on next and finish. Once the project open, it will load the IOC file. So that IOC files, it means it's a project configuration file where we set up pin function and other setting. So now in the IOC file, we need to configure the pin for our LED. So click the, now we are using PA8 pin for our LED. So click on PA8. Now click on GPIO output and click on device configuration tool code generation. Here we don't need to make any kind of configuration because we are using simulation. Click on S. Once the code generated, the main.py file will automatically open. If it doesn't open, you can find inside the core source folder. Now let's write code to blink LED. Inside the while one, we will use HL library functions, which are so we have to toggle LED. So write HL underscore GPIO underscore toggle pin and GPIO, which ports we are using A ports, and pin number underscore 8 and delay HL delay. So for that we have shortcut to for suggestions control space. So 500 millisecond. This will toggle the LED on PA8 every 500 millisecond. Now last step is to generate hex file. So we need to generate hex file in for our Proteus. Go to Project Explorer and click on project name. Double click. Click on properties. Click on CPV field. Click on setting. Click on STM post build output. Click to convert to Intel hex file. Apply and close. Now, if everything is now click to build. If everything is correct, you will see zero error and zero error in the console. Yeah, so that means our hex file is successfully generated. Now, our we have to simulate in Proteus. Now, open the Proteus STM32 F103C. Click on OK and place into your workplace. Now, next we need to configure the power supply. So click on Design, configure power rail, set VCC to 3.3 volt, and make sure ground is to 0 volt. Also connect any unconnected power pins to VCC or ground as required. So it is unconnected. So add and we it should be 0. Click on OK. Now add LED and register. Here add LED, add register. Now connect the anode of LED, red LED to the P8 and cathode to ground through resistor. Now we need to load X file. So double click on STM32 microcontroller in Proteus. Now click on to load. So where we generate our project. So I generate an STM simulation. So we click on the folder icons and go to debug folder and select the hex file. Click on OK. Now run the simulation and you will see the LED blinking after every 500 milliseconds. And that is for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more STM32 and embedded system content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.